Hello, Leo. How are you? Welcome to my channel, and welcome to your reading. Leo, this is your reading for the next 3 months. This is a general reading. Take what resonates and leave what doesn't. Energies might be vice versa, and time is fluid. There is an extended reading for this one. Link for the same is in a description box and comment section. I'm shuffling the cards. I'll lay them down, and then we'll see what you need to know, Leo. Uh, Leo, uh, see. In this reading, we'll see what are the general messages, what are the love messages you need to know. We'll also see at the fag end if there is a no contact situation, then what is the current scenario regarding that. The first card that popped out is Nine of Wands. Nine of Wands is telling me that you will see that there are two things that you're going to observe. First, you will have some extraordinary strength to stand up for yourself. You'll find that you have the strength, you have the courage, you have that whatever is needed for you to stand your grounds, to stand up for what you believe in. Okay, even if it is even if that means that you have to stand up against the entire world, but you have that fucking required strength to do that. You have that courage to go against everyone else when you strongly believe in something. So that is the first thing. Second thing, you will notice that there are going to be decisions which are going to be very unique. You're going to make some unique decisions in the next 3 months. Okay, because of the nature of the uniqueness of your decisions, it is likely that there is a possible opposition that you might face from people around you, probably at workplace, probably at home, probably if you are in a connection with someone. Okay, your person might oppose that. I do see you being opposed from from variety of groups. Maybe for some of you it is your friends, for some of you it's your family members, for some of you it's your work colleagues and office people, for some of you it's your own employees, for some of you it's your romantic partners. But there is some sort of opposition that is coming towards you, and I do see that without opposition you will learn to stand your ground. Okay, even though there is tremendous amount of opposition that is coming towards you, you have the courage to face that opposition and stick with what you believe in. People will try to force you, to control you, in order to change your decision making. Okay, because they are operating out of fear. They fear that whatever decisions you're going to take, those decisions will either help you achieve some magnanimous success, or either it will help you stand out in the crowd. Maybe there is some name, fame, reputation that might come towards you, or it might impact the domestic life, the romantic life, and etc. Okay, but whatever it is, you're standing your grounds. Wheel of Fortune. I do feel like there is an unconventional relationship that you're attracting towards you. Okay, unconventional in the eyes of the society. So probably there might be some age gap, probably there might be a situation where one person is married and the other person is not, but there is a lot of love. Okay, probably there is a situation where you will notice that there is differences in religion, differences in ethnicity, and etc. Right? So Nine of Wands and the Wheel of Fortune is certainly telling me that no, something different, something that you definitely had not imagined is coming your way. Something that you had not imagined is unexpectedly happening. But both of you, you and this person, both of you will be so deeply and madly in love with one another that you guys will have the strength to face the entire world and be together despite any kind of opposition or despite any kind of remarks that will be made regarding this connection. But I strongly feel like there is something very unique about this romantic connection that is about to happen in your life. There is something unique about it. Like I said, it's going to be probably an age gap, ethnicity differences, religious differences, or whatever it is. Okay, or maybe it can also be a long distance connection. Okay, and you you might be advised like long distance connections do not work, long distance connections are not fruitful, long distance connections are not good, they at the end of the day they collapse, and etc etc. Right, we have the emperor. Yeah, you might attract a person with an age gap. For some of you, it's going to be your boss. For some of you, it's a work colleague. For some of you, it's, maybe your mentor or a guide, someone who is trying to guide you spiritually. For some of you, it's, I do see a workplace connection over here for many of you. Okay. uh, Maybe you're going to meet this person during travel as well with the wheel of fortune and the emperor. It's pretty likely that, yeah, for some of it's also there is a possibility that this person might belong to a different ethnicity, different religion, or might have grew up in a different cultural in a different environment, in a different cultural background, right? um, Another thing, another message, Leo, I'm getting over here is, if at all your life was looking pretty dynamic, if at all there were constant changes that were happening and you were a bit tired and frustrated, like why there are these continuous changes that are happening, why life is moving at a glacial speed. I mean, it's the problem is not with the speed, but the speed at which the changes are happening. Okay, so that is something you want to breather, but before you can enjoy that breather, there is another change that is happening, then there is another consecutive thing that is popping up, then there is a next thing, then there is a third thing, then there is a fourth thing, right? So if that was the situation, or probably for some of you, you guys were facing some back-to-back challenges, if that is the situation, then I do feel with the emperor card, like things are getting under control, things are definitely getting under control. Okay. uh, things are looking better, things are looking better, I'm very sure things are looking better. This might be applicable for few of you. You are attracting a mentor in your life. Now, this can be anybody. This can be a romantic person who is a mentor, who is becoming a mentor, who is going to encourage you, who is going to push you towards your destiny, towards your is going to help you find your true potential. For some of you, this is your boss or someone from a workplace who's trying to help you out. This person will notice something within you, and then this person will try to uplift you. For some of you, this is a friend who is becoming a mentor of yours. uh, for few of you, I certainly feel like there is a mentor that is coming your way. Six of Pentacles. Good monetary opportunities, money making opportunities are coming, and money making opportunities are coming to such an extent that not only you're attracting a lot of abundance, but you are going to be in this position where you will be able to help out people who are in the need of money. Okay, you will be able to help out people who are in the need of uh, some sort of financial stability, right? So people who are in who if you feel like there is monetary abundance in your life, you might find yourself donating money, especially for the needies, or wherever the money, as per your prerogative, wherever the money needs to go. Especially, I feel like you might donate at animal welfare shelters, orphanages, etc. Okay. Eight of Pentacles. You're coming across as someone who is very passionate about money making. Okay. Or for some of you, you're attracting someone who is pretty wealthy. Okay, you're attracting the next romantic partner that is coming towards you is someone who is very sincere, very loyal, very dedicated, very hardworking, right? But I also feel for some of you, this next romantic partner is going to be slightly dominating as well. Okay, the King of Swords. This person is going to be protective also, very protective, and you'll find that this person is becoming jealous pretty fast when they will see anybody else touching you, when they will see that there are other people. I mean, uh, touching you, or probably other people are trying to talk to you and etc. This, you will find this person becoming jealous pretty fast. Now let's see if there is an ongoing no contact situation in your life, Leo. If there is an ongoing no contact situation, then what does that person think and feel about you? Okay, or if at all they are taking any kind of action towards you. We have we have five of wands. Yes, this person's struggling without you. This person's missing you a lot, but their life is pretty chaotic without you. We have page of cups. They want to restart this connection. They want to flirt with you a lot. They want to become friendly. This person doesn't want to lose you. Ace of wands. Ace of wands is certainly telling me that this person wants a new passionate beginning. This person still has those feelings for you. The feelings for you are pretty much the same. The feelings for you uh, are the same. And I mean, they are feeling like maybe for some of you it's been a separation. You guys are separated for pretty long time. Okay, and even if you guys are separated for like 8 9 months or 1 year, or maybe 2 3 years, the passion towards you is still the same. The love for you is still the same. I mean, say for example, if you guys cross paths coincidentally, if you guys stand in front of each other coincidentally, this person will still skip their heartbeat if they see you. The love for you is still so deep. Okay, this person is struggling without you, let me tell you that. The star card, they have always put you on a pedestal and they are missing you. They have always and always put you on a pedestal. Yeah, they are checking out other options. This person is going out on dates, but at the end of the date, this person realizes that they don't want anyone else except you. They don't want anyone else except you. Two of pentacles, they are struggling to be with you. There is a lot of struggle that is going on in this person's life because they are unhappy. They are missing your love. They want your love. They want that touch. Yeah, this person wants to get into a committed situation with you and they wish that the balance gets restored in this connection. All right, so I hope this resonates. Hit like, share, and subscribe, and comment down below. Till then, take care, have a great time, and bye bye, guys. Let me show you the spread. If I have to talk about the zodiac signs, I see Aries, Taurus, Sagittarius, another Leo, Libra, Aquarius, Scorpio, right? This is your spread. Bye.